Bitch, you know you fucking with.
Okay.
No.
Thank you, Terry. Now this one
I
here.
took you to the bank to cash a check last month, and then you've got one in your room for this month, so you better be careful with what you're.
But this one is not hers though, and that's what they're saying. They sent her.
Well, they're not that stupid to put her name on one thing and then send her a check with somebody else's name on there. You know what I'm saying?
Who's that?
The government.
Well, evidently they were, because it was attached to that. And they're saying, and her name is on here. See right here, Carol.
Did they send her the check or?
No, this is the letter from Carol Pro here.
I understand that.
Uh-huh.
You're saying that this check.
They made a mistake. They wasn't stupid. They made a mistake and attached the wrong check to it.
They didn't send her a check though, did you? Did they send
No.
They sent her a check for $700.
No, you're not
No,
quite
they
understanding.
just sent her a copy of a
They
check.
sent her a check. They sent her a copy of somebody else's check, thinking it was her check that they had sent. They made a mistake and sent her a copy of the wrong check. That's what it is. They sent her a check for Carolyn, saying that they had sent it to her. Her name is not on this check. Carolyn's name is on there. I'm a certified bonnet accountant. Worked for Inglewood Unified for 24 and a half years, along with your mom.
Mm-hmm.
And we're not strangers to each other. We've known each other for years.
I understand.
And I've been doing her income taxes with you on them. But what they're doing, they are saying they send this check to her. They sent in a copy. They made a mistake and put the wrong copy of a check to this letter. So what I did, I'm answering them, letting them know the check, the copy of the check that they sent her does not belong to her. That's all it is. So that she can get her right check.
Mm-hmm.
So she can get her right check. They owe her a check, but they said they have paid her. And they were sending her a copy.
That's what I'm saying.
They said they were sending her a copy to say that they have sent her a check.
Mm-hmm.
But they sent her the wrong check.
I know.
They sent her a check, a copy of someone else.
I know they're trying to set her up for fraud because she's been getting her checks.
No, this is not fraud. They made a mistake. They made a mistake. So that's why this letter's telling them to send a copy of the check that they sent her. Now, this is not fraud. Please.
I think so because it still don't make sense why they would send her the.
They made a mistake. We all make mistakes. It's a bona fide mistake. That's why you write and let them know that they made a mistake.
Mm-hmm.
And to send her a copy of the check with her name on it, and then we can go from there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now they just made a mistake. We all make mistakes sometimes. It's not a fraud thing, not at all. That's Care Pro. Maybe the ARP is trying to get you to. ARP is an insurance company for like that works with Medicare. ARP works with Medicare, but you still with the district, right?
No.
Are you not with the district insurance? Okay, well see I am. I'm with Kaiser. I'm still with Kaiser. So I pay the district my insurance money. Huh?
You got all the money.
See, I send my insurance every month. I send my insurance money to IUSD. And then I'm connected with Kaiser. Mm-hmm. And then I have Kaiser, but not along with Medicare.
Mm-hmm.
If you have Medicare and don't have another substitute insurance, ARP comes in and they want you to join them to help with Medicare in case there's a bill to be paid that Medicare don't pay, then ARP will pay it. Just like if one come in from me that Medicare don't pay, Kaiser pays. So that's what ARP is for.
They should have it placed
Well, they have.
Bell.
Oh, I need to put something a slide up there so you don't have to walk up there. But if you call me and I see you coming, I can come down and get you.
You do that.
Yeah. So this is just a sign here and let them know that you did not get this check. This check is not yours. That's all it's for. You're not going to do anything to get you in trouble. I've been working with your mom for years.
Okay.
for years.
Well,
for
that's
years.
fine. I'm just saying that oversight's not her fault. She shouldn't
Oh,
have
no,
to
no,
explain
no.
herself.
No, just sign here that you are telling them that this is not your check. That's all. That you didn't sign that check. That check is.
Yeah,
this
see,
check
that
is
was my
not yours.
point. Was like, I mean, you could tell them all that.
Huh?
So, never mind. Go ahead.
Oh yeah, they'll do it. I'm part of this.
Mhm.
I'm part of this. That's how I know about it. I'm part of this. I get mine too. On the first. I get mine on the first of every month. I'm part of CalPro. I've been CalPro for 24 and a half years. 24 and a half years. Yeah.
You know what?
Right here. Right here.
Okay. I was trying to figure out. I told you I had an AARP.
She need to pay her house property tax too. You need to find that so her property tax can be paid. It haven't been paid this year.
Says who?
To the county collector.
Who, the franchise tax board or the Department
No,
of Treasury?
county of Los Angeles. Property tax. Not federal income tax or franchise tax. Property tax. Los Angeles tax collector.
I just paid a bunch of money in taxes for this house.
How much?
One was for $600, the other one was for $212 somewhere.
Oh, you paid one for 600. Who was that to?
In the Department of the Treasury.
Oh no. I know her property tax because I've been paying her property tax when I pay mine. I will come over here and
And
write
how
a
much
check.
is it? Has it been?
It's $600 and some dollars, but it's made out to. It shouldn't be not to Department of Treasury. It should be made out to county collector for LA County. That's what that one for. Otherwise, they would be saying that she didn't pay her property tax, and they would be trying to seize her property.
The AARP.
Yeah, not ARP, county, LA County collector. That's the one you need to.
That would be the franchise tax board, right?
No.
What?
Franchise tax board is federal.
Mm-hmm.
We're talking about county, LA County. Franchise tax board is the state. Franchise tax board is the state of California, where you pay your state taxes, not your county taxes. So she in the county of Los Angeles. So we all have to pay county tax, property tax on our home.
No, is this a $600 figure? Is this paid twice a year or once a year?
Well, she pay hers once a year because her whole year is just $600 and some dollars. So like $300 some dollars in November, and then in January another $300 and some dollars. So they cut it off and stick. But where I was doing,
I got the feeling we were talking about the same thing that I paid.
well, then you paid it to the wrong folks if you sent it to franchise tax board.
They're the ones that sent her the letter and asked for it. This is all according to what
Well,
they
something is
to
wrong
what
somewhere,
they
'cause
set for.
franchise tax board,
Yeah,
franchise
she needs
tax
a
board.
lawyer then, huh? To figure
Franchise
out.
tax. Can I see it, please? So they won't be seizing her property.
That's the whole business, huh? They trying to take her property. Crazy shit that the evil Americans got me. Ooh, I hate that.
Because you don't owe anybody any money. You don't owe anybody any money. In fact, people owe you money. They owe you money, not you owe them money.
Well, this lady told me from they go somewhere.
Well, it's a lot of people. They tell you on the TV now that they're trying to scam a lot of old folks. So you have to be very, very, very careful with them. Well, I'm old too. I'm past 70, but I try to keep it.
I'm 85.
85?
Yeah.
Oh, praise the Lord! You look good, wasn't it?
I have my my eyes bother me. And I go to Dr. Almond
Okay.
over there, and this girl, she will tell me, she said, I'm giving you this, and she give me two of this. Green one, yellow one, orange one.
Oh.
And
Okay.
she tells me all the time, she said, well, Miss Brown, she said, why don't you call me? I said, well, I can't get your people over here. I said, every time I turn around, if you're not here, you're not having this.
Oh, okay.
So she said, you all right with me? I said, you all right with me? When
Oh,
I take
yeah.
you over there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah, right. That's fine. That's fine. Now, when I get home, I put it over my thing and make a copy of it and give you a copy. I bring. Huh? Yeah, I give you a copy. When I get home, I make a copy of all of this. Put theirs in the mail and give you a copy. Okay, so you can have it.
Well, I was wondering about that.
Oh, I know you don't. I know you don't. I take very good care of your mom, Terry. Like I would want somebody to take care of my mom. Yeah, I got Angie.
She is so cute.
Oh, yeah. But she gets on my last nerve.
And she's in a school today.
Yeah, she's at her daycare center. That look like it's there, Terry.
This is an annual property tax bill.
Now, can I look at it? No, it looked like the property tax. That's what it looked like. See here, this is it. This is it.
This has been paid.
Property tax. Okay. Well, you didn't attach the thing to it. See here.
They got the money on my bank account. So
Oh no, I'm not saying it didn't. I'm not saying it didn't. Did you send this to it? Did you send this a copy of these? See, okay. This is for the first installment payment, and this is for the second installment
You
payment.
said it's what, $300? Because both of those installments are for $600. So did you?
Oh yeah. See, it's $390.65 for the first installment, $390.65 for the second installment. So what you're supposed to do?
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's what I paid. I paid the first installment.
Okay. Well, you know what? It's just like they didn't get it, so they don't know where it went.
They got it out my bank accounts.
I understand that, but it's sitting somewhere in a pile.
Yeah, I understand that too.
It's sitting somewhere, and they don't know where to put it. So what they will do, they will seize her property because they don't have these two things
And
here.
blame it on us because they got the money.
They got the money, but we didn't put these in there to let them know where it goes.
That's stupid. I mean, you're talking about people with college degrees and intelligence can't figure that out. That don't make no sense to me.
Well, you have the things here.
Well, that's fine. I mean, they printed that. They can print some more.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Well, you probably get a letter saying that you haven't paid them.
Yeah, so what we should get is a letter saying, please send us these, right? Instead of saying we want to seize your property, they should say, well, we didn't get these tabs or whatever. Would you please send those to us? We got your money, but we didn't get these. As opposed to saying, we didn't get these two tabs.
Well,
We
I
got
don't
your
know
money
what-
and we want to seize your property, right?
I don't know how they work down there, but I do know if we don't send in those along with them, they'll just say
And
that we
what
didn't
about
pay.
this here? This, get your input on this. See, they're trying to charge us $600 for income in 2006.
Okay,
And she didn't work in 2006, I know that.
Okay, return the voucher of this page. Do not use the voucher below to send in a payment. Yeah, turn the light on just a little bit so I can see my eye. Okay, Karen, make sure that those go in there with it. Take those out of the side because they'll be seizing her property. Y'all won't have no place to stay. They'll be coming here saying you ain't paid no taxes. Okay, now there's $654. Less payment not included. I don't know what this is for. Return the voucher on this page will form 1-153 is a request collecting due. Okay. If you would like to send in a payment. I don't know. This is all you got? Another letter didn't come with it?
Nope.
Well, who is Mary Armstead?
That's the lady that I told you.
But that's the lady, the one that's on the check is Carrie. Is Carolyn. So this name coming up again.
Hey, whatever.
I told you it was fraud. They're trying to seize her property for no good reason. because she take
Who
advantage
is
of it.
Mary Armstead?
She was
Where,
the one that
let me see. I
called
don't know. Where's it?
Right here.
Let me see that.
Oh,
See here?
oh, you wrote that down? She wrote that down there?
Oh, just see,
And the one that's on the check is Carolyn.
that's the person.
Yeah, so we need to check this out. Can I take this with me?
I'll make you a copy.
Okay, make me a copy.
Yeah,
And let me look into it for you.
because this lady said that she was a federal person when she talked to me.
Uh-huh.
She wasn't telling me nothing. I just knew she wasn't where she was supposed to be.
Because I've been doing your mom's income taxes for years,
Yeah,
and
that's fine.
I can handle this with them if you
That
don't
would be
mind.
easier for you for sure, because they're trying to charge her income tax for 2006.
And she didn't even work.
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
You haven't worked in years. Mm-mm. Not since you left for Dodette.
not when I found you.
Okay, thank you.
were in trouble. I was in trouble. I kept calling, and this lady called me. She told me she was
Uh-huh.
She said,